People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Blessed and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness, I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and more health over wealth. You see me? Anyone that big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know Father God, guide and protect us all, you know. Yeah, man, in this time and moment, yeah. I don't know nothing beat prayer, so remember, make sure we pray when you wake up and before you go to bed. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. Today I want to talk about Buju Banton, you know. Give a massive shout out and respect to Buju Banton for winning the next honor, the MOBO Award for Best Reggae Act. You see me? Yeah, man, so big up the whole Buju Banton fans. You know what I mean? And you don't know. You see it? And also this brother, yeah, I'm showing a piece of the video. But if you don't want to see the full video, you go up on my Instagram at Real Lionfoot TV. See that? Yeah, man, follow me and you can watch the full video. See now this brother getting embarrassed by his girlfriend. Now my viewers and subscribers, if you can hear some noise in the background, I'm frying. Me there fry some chicken, and no French fried chicken. You know what I mean? Yeah, 4 AM in the morning. You see me? Yeah, before I go football. But I don't know what I'm going to say. Big up Buju Banton. As in, after the break. If it not work, hey, it's best if you no move on. Don't try to fix what you can't fix. Pack your bags, put your shoes on. And cut. Never put your hands on your feet on no woman. That's a no-no. If your parents never tell you, me I tell you that you no feel do, man. Yo, share the message. Today who no good, tomorrow who no a fight. Me no business, we do no who no quite alright. Every minute you a come to me for your advice. Me don't tell her if you do already more than twice. Last year you make she lock you up. This year she make her brother chop you up. What you still doing there? If she a threaten for make money shut you up. If it not work. Yeah, man, I say American aka Lionfoot, you know, I tell the man them stop abuse the woman them. A woman don't stop use the man them. When you take the man them things and now give them the thing and go around them, and that's why the man them get mad and do mad things. See, you don't know, take before stop the violence against women. If it now work, cut, subscribe. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Pick up on the jam myself, man. Welcome back. See, yes, Buju Banton won the Grammy. MOBO Awards, I should say, for Best Reggae Act a few days ago, you know. And it's a good look. I say Buju always deliver, and you know, as much as him get bad critics and people bash him and them things, because when I speak the truth and the facts, you know what I mean? People don't like when I speak the truth and beat it up, you see me? Yeah, so Buju Banton recently came out, said boy no mass and all them can't find a cure for this and that, but them find a cure for corona. Zine, so mixed emotions, mixed feelings, mixed comments. Me personally did back him, you know what I mean? You know, and Buju was part of an ambassador with some company. I can't remember the top of my head right now, but he had a deal with some other artists, and because he came out, them dropped him off of it, you know? And then Buju came back again and said, that alone and can't do, and start laugh. And say, my mama, my belly button. See it? All those who can remember when Buju did that recently. Yeah, so and look at that now. The man come back and won the MOBO Awards for Best Reggae Act. And the man come and say, you know, just for no. See me? Then he do the collaboration with Coffee, Zine, and more work input in since he has been released. You know what I mean? He also won the festival and give the money to the Buju Banton Foundation, the poor people, and the hungry people, them, you know, homeless. See, so I have to say big up Buju Banton for that. See, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Big shout out to Buju Banton, you know what I mean? Them there fries and chicken, you know, my people, so interact. Sorry about the noise. See? Yeah, man, I do apologize. You get me? Yeah, man. My viewers and subscribers, I know I do the thing real and natural, though. Yeah, man, no pretending thing, you know? So, once again, I apologize for the noise. But me I turn the chicken them, you know? Chicken them I'm turning now, you see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, big up Buju Banton and big up everybody running there, the fans of Buju Banton, the fans of Lionfoot. See? Now, my viewers and subscribers, my next video for sure now. With that brother here, piece me I show on piece of the video. See? The man have him girlfriend, obviously him a cheat on her. And she a trail him and catch him. Watch him follow him go to the shopping center and the next girl now. The side chick. See what them doing chop now come out now arms in arms. You see me? She come out on him and say, this is what you doing after Thanksgiving? Da 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 da. Watch where I go on.
Curtis! That's what the fuck we doing? That's what the fuck we doing? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? This is where you was at last night after Thanksgiving dinner?
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I look a piece that, but if you want to see the full video, you have to go over to my Instagram, Real Lionfoot TV. See it there again. Yeah, man. I can't show the full video on YouTube because you know them policy. You know what I mean? And guidelines. So, basically, you have the girl backyard, the woman backyard, and you know, I spend on the next girl and I said, yo, I say she dealing him wicked. The woman tripping wicked, she's tripping. First she said, take off the belt. Man I said, yo, what you doing, man? Then man said, alright, I'm gonna call my brother. See, man said, come like our brother's a top man or some gangster or something. Man said, no, don't do that. The girl said, take off the belt. Take my belt. Everything my money buy you, take it off. Take it off. See, take off the belt and she have the belt. Belt are the first thing him take off. He said she wrap him up with it, you see. Give him a box in his face. You see me take off him sweater, him shirt, the pants. The hair Jordan him have on. Everything. I just him boxers alone him have on. All the next girl come like she buy him something to one girl. I said, give me back my thing. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. The kings are okay, be like this. We are telling you, you see. Some man, and that for reach them because them sit down and depend on woman too much for everything. You know, I'm going to go try and meet halfway. And just want the woman alone for a gigi. And I hand out a work and a bus with and chase remind them. See? And that's why the woman take the piece with them and this them and treat them like dog and walk on them like floor mat. And have them in the house and wash panty and all of that. Well, nothing wrong with washing panty. You see me? Because I put my woman panty in the washing machine more time, yeah? You see me? But some man, I saw them woman deal with them according to how them allow themselves to be dealt with. You know what I mean? You see, because the woman do everything, so she have all right for take this advantage and talk to you all sort of way and put you out. You know how much top man must get put out? The woman bring them clothes come choke on out the road. Burn up a light in the road in front of them, truck and bus and car drive over them clothes and big name brand where the woman buy them. Wow. Yeah, I tell you, I see some things, my people, my viewers and subscribers. I said, me will take things from woman in but not like said them alone. Take. I don't know woman love to buy gift and treat them man or whatever. You see me, nothing wrong with that. But when I give them the impression for say, boy, yeah, I do everything and blah blah. No, them no say, yo, Lionfoot always a work, you know. Working man in youth, you know, always a try, you see me? Yeah, man, but the brother, yeah, big embarrassment, man. Big shame in the New York street. Hey, the New York girl, I made sick in her. Yeah, we have some subscribers, but I lie. I feel for the brother, I may not feel it for him. You see me? Everything him have on the girl buy him. The girl have him have the girl credit card. The girl say, give me my card. You see me? Yo, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know big up on yourself, you know. Be good, be safe, be careful, you see me? Yeah man. Until next time, big up on yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Remember, your support is highly appreciated. And big up all of the fans of Buju Banton. Again, well done on your MOBO award. You see me? For best reggae act. A Lion Foot. I'm a done chat. I'm out.